Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please stop me if you can, but I doubt you will because I'm obsessed with Bottega. It's getting out of hands. But today I'm going to talk to you about the mini Wallace and why I think this is one of the most understated and one of the best bags you can buy at Bottega at this point in time. Let's get into it. If you haven't seen my face before, hi, my name's Carol and I love handbags. I'm obsessed with handbags and other luxury designer goods, and I love to entertain you, sometimes with very frivolous things and sometimes with some deeper conversation. So if you think you would like that and you don't want to miss a thing, make sure to subscribe down below. But today, like I said, the mini Wallace. I haven't had it for that long, okay? In full disclosure, I haven't had it for that long, but I actually had a need. I did. Hear me out. I really want to get the Andiamo in the matcha color because I swore to myself I'm not allowed to buy any black bags, any dark bags, and color all the way because everything else is covered in my collection. I did, however, need something neutral. This is the color Pinecone, and it comes across a little bit warmer than it actually is. It's a little bit cooler. But all the bags that I have from Bottega that are more like a natural color are more cognac-y, you know? And I needed something that would match my shoes. So I have these ones from Valentino, but I also have them in like a warmer tint. I have something to pair with the warmer tint, but I don't have anything to pair with that darker tint. Why do I have two pairs of these? Because these are so comfortable and I have very difficult feet. My husband occasionally laughs at me and is like, how many pairs of shoes do you have? And also sneakers and that kind of stuff. When it comes to expensive shoes, if they are even the slightest bit uncomfortable, I return them. I'm not that stupid. But I also have a lot of just normal pairs of sneakers that are very comfortable. I wear them, but after 2-3 hours, suddenly, oh my goodness, my big toe is killing me. So I have very weird feet. And if I find something that suits me and that fits me and it doesn't hurt, I hoard them. This shoe, honestly, this is a brand new model, and this one as well. And I have these ones that are already in use, but so don't come at me, but these are so comfortable. They're a beautiful suede. They give a little bit of the Loro Piana vibes, especially when the shoe is peeking out from under your pants, and it's very, you know, and the logo, yes, it has a logo, but it's not like, I don't think it's vulgar. Like if it was gold, like it would be really vulgar, but it's nicely coated like this. These are so comfortable, and I don't have loafers like that for the summer. So like I said, comfortable and timeless. These are going to look nice also in 5 years, 10 years time. So these are just in my collection for forever. And I needed a bag to pair with like neutrals, also neutral clothing and that kind of stuff. I had seen the mini Wallace around for a while now, and I scoured also all of the reviews and all of that. It is an amazing bag. One of the reasons why I got on board really late is that I weighed way more a year ago. I was about 30 kilos heavier, which is, I think it's like 60 pounds heavier. And everything looks better when you are thinner. So I'm going to show you the bag. So this is the mini Wallace, like I said. You can wear it a few different ways. You can shorten the strap. Hold on, I'm going to try to do that. It actually goes really smoothly, but because the bag is relatively new, then the leather has not completely become supple. You can wear it as a little top handle moment like that. Crook in the arm, top handle, just grab and go kind of thing. This is not the most comfortable of ways to wear that, but then you can lengthen the strap. And here you also have two options. You either lengthen the strap all the way to that button closure here and press it down. Hold on, where is it? Like so. But what I do is I just let it slide open completely, and I get this light little bit of extra length, which just looks better on me, I feel. And then this is how I wear the bag. I'm obsessed. Just for reference, I also brought my Bottega getaway bag. I have a review on it up on my channel, so I'll link it up here. And I just wanted to show you that this bag, even though this is a lot more pricier than this one, they are kind of the similar size. You look at it from the side, and this again. And also there's also a difference in what you can pack in terms of, if you have it like packed to the brim, then it's going to hold its shape like that. You can see that it's not that different. Can you see that? They will fit exactly the same size, and this is so much better priced. Of course, you have like the top handle here, you have a little bit more hardware, you have the knot, and you have a crossbody strap. But I specifically wanted a shoulder bag moment, and now I'm going to show you all of the things that it fits, and you will be shocked. Hold on, I'm just going to put the pouch in here just on top, just for reference. Hold on, I'm not even very well prepared, but I will show you what this thing fits. This is now completely full. This is completely full, and in all transparency, well, it's still quite comfortable on the shoulder, but if it's really full, I will just push it like so. But it's not the most comfortable on the shoulder, and obviously if I need to carry like a lot of things, I will probably take another bag. Are you actually ready for what it fits? Now I really push the boundaries, but a bottle of water, no problem. Oh, who am I writing a message to? My phone. A pochette. It's not full to the brim, but still it's a pochette. Then I have a key clay, which I'm currently using as my card holder. My little thingy for the bank, I still need to use that for a certain bank account. Kleenex, a mirror, my car keys, my headphones, best headphones out there, by the way. These are the cuff headphones. I've had them for about 3 months, 5 months. I've had them for 5 months, never going back again. You know, those are the, hold on. I have to show you, if you don't know about them yet, you just cuff them around your ear and you can hear everything that's going around, and you can still hear whatever it is that you're listening to, which I'm looking at YouTube all day, every day. I love YouTube. All kinds of different things. I'm listening to podcasts, whatever. This is so great. And you forget that you have them in your ear. That's how comfortable they are. I convinced Mr. Summer to also get himself those, and he is obsessed as well. So I've got some gum, 2 lip products. Actually, we're doing pretty good. 2 lip products and a tampon. Because listen, sometimes people ask me, why do you always have a tampon? It's also for the times that someone else needs it. Okay? Thankfully, I've never needed it myself so that anyone else had to help me, but I have helped someone 3 times in my life. Happy I was there. Here's a hair tie. And then I have a nail file and my touch-up foundation stick, which is from Dior. I hardly ever use it because I don't really touch up, but this is just a comfort blankie just in case. And then that is it. Inside you have the beautiful leather lining, and you have Bottega made in Italy pressed in here. And trust me, I know a lot of people are afraid of the leather lining and scratches, and you're going to want to put like a handbag organizer, but it does have something here at the bottom to keep its shape. I don't know, is it a cardboard box? Who's gonna know? It has something, so it's not completely, you know, shapeless. It does hold its shape pretty well. Now I'm going to put back in what I would normally wear, like my cards, my card key, my headphones, mirror. Usually I have 3 lip products, my Kleenex, gum, hair tie in the summer, definitely, the foundation stick, usually, oh, and my phone, of course. Let's put the phone in there as well for reference. Usually this is all I need for a day out. And like you can see, you still have a lot of space. Half of the bag is empty. So this is where you can choose, do you want to add a bottle of water? I don't ever take a bottle of water purposely in the bag, but if I'm in the city and I want to drink something and I don't want to carry it in my hand, I can always put it inside. Now, much like the Loewe puzzle, I think that this bag looks best when it has a slouch. So this is why I prefer to not overstuff it. But the option is there, which I can also really, really appreciate. I love a good slouch. I love me a slouch. And this is how I go about my day. Now this bag, I think they should make a lot more colors that are like candy colors, you know. This one in pink, this one in matcha, this one in parakeet would be also really, really cool. But it currently comes in all of the neutrals that you can think of. It still looks stunning. It looks stunning. I have my eyes on a khaki one. I've seen one on the pre-loved market for a very good price. And I don't own any khaki bags, which is weird because khaki is literally one of my absolute favorite colors. So food for thought there. Yeah, but I think if you are looking for a bag that can be casual, that you can also transfer into an evening bag. I mean, think of this bag in all black, for example. Tell me, to which event can you not take it with you? It has a feet underneath, which also kind of makes it a little bit more, I'm a bit posh, you know? So you can wear it with anything, take it to a fancy something, even a summer wedding when you need, what do you need? Sunscreen, perhaps, you know? You can pack a little bit more than a teeny weeny bag. That's pretty much my point. But yeah, I like to have extras with me, especially in the summer. In the winter, it's like a little bit different, but in the summer, you need more as well. You need your sunscreen, and you need this, and you need that. And I think this is a stunning bag. And it wears beautifully as well. I will link a girl's video down below where she reviews it after, I think, a year of wear, or maybe 2 years. I don't remember. But it looks so, so, so beautiful and so just mushy and slouchy. And you just know that it's going to be absolutely delicious and gorgeous just with time. So I cannot recommend this enough. And those of you who have been on the hunt, and some of you have asked me what I think of this bag, I think just go for it. You are not going to regret it. And if you do, listen, if you are a only crossbody girly and you absolutely passionately hate under the arm bags like this, because it's also not complete, like it doesn't touch your armpit. It's the perfect height. Even from, I'm so excited. I'm going to choke. I'm going to choke on myself, my own saliva. If you like, I'm still a huge girly. I've got fat arms. I'm 6 feet tall and I'm humongous. So if I can work with it, so can you. It's a stunning bag. It's really, really underrated. And I think if you want a piece of Bottega, but you don't want to fork out the huge prices that they're asking for some other bags, this is definitely a bag that is also practical, but goes with everything and is, you know, a zipper on top, you know, carefree. I cannot say enough good things about this. And knowing how Bottega ages, like I said, it's just chef's kiss. Personally, like this match, ooh, I'm gonna link those down below in case you're interested. They also come like in a beautiful pale blue. Stunning. And I've had them already for a few months. I've worn them quite a lot, and I think that did I or did I not spray them even? I think I did spray them once before wear, and they still look like really, really nice. So yeah, that's neither here nor there. Anyways, and you can also wear them. You can also wear it as a necklace should you feel the need. Okay, whatever. Please take this platform away from me because I'm getting crazier by the day. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll see you again next time. Bye.